This is the Vintage Coach Multifunction Purse, style number 7219 in the color black, and I would estimate it was most likely made sometime in the 1990s, and it was made in Costa Rica. And it's called the Multifunction Purse, but it's actually, as you can see, a little wallet. And it does come with this keychain that's attached that you can actually put on the inside of the wallet if you like, or you can put it on the outside and attach it to something, or attach your keys right here to the wallet. And it also comes with a little mini hang tag. So there are those two features, and then it also has the Coach cartouche stamped here on the lower corner of the wallet. So here's the front again. It does have a snap closure. Here's what the sides look like. And then here's the back of the wallet. And then when we open it again, it does have a little slip pocket here under the front flap. And then the inside does have a zip change compartment here with a zip closure. It's got some space right here on the inside of the body of the wallet, and then it's got another little slot back here. And then this is where it says made in Costa Rica, but I'll insert a photo so you can see it more clearly than I can easily show it on video. So anyway, that is the Multifunction Purse, style number 7219, and it is available now in our online store, so I will leave the link below in case you wanted to look at it further. But otherwise, thanks for watching, take care, and see you next time.